Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick video about the class organization, My Accounting Lab, Blackboard, the announcements. There are several announcements that are already posted to the web page. This is your Blackboard course homepage, and you can see that I have the label weekly announcements and assignments. And then the next thing that you will see is the welcome letter. Please read this carefully because it will show you or explain to you how to access the course syllabus. It tells you about all-inclusive access, meaning that with your tuition in this course, you have access to the Pearson e-text. Also with the inclusive access, you have the My Accounting Lab access code. So I talk about in this letter the steps that you have to take in order to access the My Accounting Lab. I will go ahead and read this welcome letter. Welcome to ACC 120. I'm very pleased and excited to have everyone enrolled in Principles of Financial Accounting class. I hope all the materials in Blackboard are easy to find, and you will see that I have a ton of helpful information in all the folders to help you succeed in this course. To get started, please print and read the course syllabus. So real quickly, I'll show you where you can find that. You click on course syllabus, and you can see that if you click on the file, you can download the course syllabus as a Word document. So I won't read this now, but you can read that on your own. And be sure to carefully read this and make sure you understand the attendance policy. But I'm not going to go over this. I will let you read this on your own. Okay, I'm going to go back to the announcements. For this course, you are required to use an online homework assessment called My Accounting Lab. Access to My Accounting Lab is all inclusive. We have used My Accounting Lab at Coastal for a while, so you may have heard about My Accounting Lab from other students. In order to redeem your code and register for My Accounting Lab, please click on Course Information and select the course materials. So let me show you where course information is. Right over here, right below announcements, you will click on that. And also, I have it linked right here in this announcement. Okay, so in order to do this, you will need to redeem the code and copy and paste this into My Accounting Lab to register. So let me walk you through the steps of how to do that. So if you click on this course link, it will take you to this site. Okay, and yours may look like this, or it may look like this, and you may see ACC 120 Principles of Financial Accounting, except it would say 04TW. Okay, but it's going to take you to the Pearson site. Not the Pearson site, but the Red Shelf site. Okay, so you're going to click on the course, and it should give you the code, and you click copy, and you will just copy. You can either right click and copy or click copy to clipboard because you will need that code. You're going to use that code, you're going to paste that into My Accounting Lab in order to gain access into My Accounting Lab. So you're gonna get the code, you're gonna copy this code by right clicking copy or select the option to copy to clipboard. Then you're going to return to Blackboard and paste this code into your link provided by your instructor. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Blackboard, back to my welcome letter, and continue reading. Once you get the code, you can access My Accounting Lab by clicking on the link in the left-hand navigation bar labeled My Accounting Lab. This will take you to several other links, such as the My Accounting Lab course homepage, My Accounting Lab course assignments, and My Accounting Lab student gradebook. So just to clarify, first you're going to have to go to course information, which is up here on the left, and you can go in that way to get your access code, or you can click on the link down here, and that is going to take you to get your access code. And then once you have your access code, you're ready to do the next step, which is to enter it into your My Accounting Lab. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to course information, and you'll see the textbook, and you'll see some videos. So there's a video that shows you how to redeem the access code, and you can also, that is a helpful video as well. But you really don't have to watch this video because I showed you how to get that access code. This is the link that the steps told you that your instructor will provide you. This is where you'll go to actually enter in your access code. So you will click on that and it will take you to a screen like this. Now, when it takes you to the screen, I already have access, so it's going to take me straight to the screen. Which it won't say summer. I'll get that fixed. But it will take you straight to the screen. And actually, I think you're good. Let's look. And you will enter your access code. So you're going to see a place to enter that 16, I think, digit code, the one that we just copied. So when you put that code in, you're going to register. So you're probably going to have to create a username and password as well. Once you've done this, your screen should look like mine. Okay, so once you've done that, you've got your access code, you've registered, you are ready to start chapter 1. So you will click on course content. Okay, so we'll take a look at course content. So when you get into course content, you're going to have all the chapters. Each folder has a chapter in it. Okay, so the first folder is getting started. It has my information on there, and here is another welcome letter and a little bit about me. Also, another link to your course syllabus, and I think I'm just going to delete that and just have it where the course syllabus is. Okay, so about me, and then my office hours. As you can see, my Google Voice number, feel free to text that, and that's the easiest and quickest way to get in touch with me. And then virtually these times, you can always email me as well if you have any questions. So there is the getting started. I call it a module, but a folder is either one is fine. So the next folder is chapter 1, and I always do an introduction of the chapter, a list of the learning objectives, and just for chapter 1, I have some videos about careers in accounting that are optional. You don't have to watch these, but if you're interested in knowing more about accounting, you can watch those videos. Okay, so if you click on chapter 1, you'll see all the materials and the videos that are needed in order to complete Chapter 1's homework and quiz. I do have additional resources here, and I will put my Miss Horn videos down here with additional. So anything, I'll try to move anything after the homework and quiz, anything that's optional or extra resources, I'll put them below. But the required videos that you need to watch in the lectures, I'll put those above your homework and quiz. So these are my accounting lab assignments. So I've linked them so you can click on these here and they will take you to the assignment in my accounting lab. You can also access these assignments by clicking on my accounting lab. So there's more than one way to get to those assignments, and there's actually a couple of ways to get there. If you click on my lab accounting all assignments, it will take you there and you will be able to see all the assignments that are assigned. So you can see Chapter 1 homework and quiz, Chapter 2 homework quiz, and Test 1. Okay, remember that was under my accounting lab, but if you want to get to a specific assignment quickly, go into that chapter, go to course content, go to the particular chapter assignment, and you can get a direct link to that assignment. Okay, and going back to that welcome letter, okay, I have created a link in Blackboard to the course content, which is the folder we just looked at. Please go through all the content folders before attempting the homework and a quiz assignments. I've already posted chapters 1 and 2, but actually they're all there. But only 1 and 2 are open right now, the assignments. Throughout the semester, I will update the course calendar in Blackboard. Please constantly refer to this several times each week to make sure you are on task and to ensure each assignment is complete before the appropriate due date. These assignments are very important because this is how I take attendance. You are only allowed to miss 4 assignments in this class before you are disenrolled. There is information about this in the course syllabus. Okay, and remember that I am available and you can either email me or contact me. If you click on contact information, you'll see my contact information and we can set up a virtual appointment or we can talk by phone or text, and I'll be glad to help you with anything as far as the class goes or help that you need getting started. Remember, the main things we discussed is to check your announcements. Your home page is your announcements page. Be sure to check that at least several times a week. Also, course information, well, if you click on that, you can get to your all-inclusive access to get your access code right here. And then once you get that, you will come back in here into this same place, course information, and click on My Lab and Mastering Course Home to enter that access code in. Once you have access to My Accounting Lab, you can click on course content to get started in this course. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a first great day.